Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading I'm Not an Octopus by Ona McLaaughlin and Marc Boutavant. Please enjoy. I'm not an octopus. I'm not an octopus. My name is Terry. I'm just an ordinary guy with a few extra arms who happens to love tuna. Nothing to see here. I don't know why you're looking at me like that. Everyone knows octopuses live underwater. If I were an octopus, I'd be in the sea. Unless I'm afraid of water, which I'm absolutely not. Oh my goodness, water. Help, I'm going to drown. I'm so afraid of H2O. Danger! Okay, perhaps I'm a little afraid of water. It's just so watery and wet and water-like. I bet being afraid of water would make life very difficult for an octopus. Stuck in dry land, not being able to visit my mom and dad or see my octopus friends or go to Super Octopus Fiesta Adventure World. Lucky I'm not an octopus. But I sure love to learn how to swim. Hang on. Do you think you could teach me if I was brave enough? Oh, do you? Some privacy first, if you please. Alright, I'm ready to learn. Do I keep my mouth open or shut? Should I try to sink to the bottom or just float on top? What do I do with my arms and legs? Which arm, which leg? Is it okay to pee just a little? I don't think I could do it. I'm so afraid. I think I might cry. Help! What do I do? You're supposed to be teaching me. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. What is he supposed to do, people? I'm swimming. I'm swimming. I'm swimming. Oh, wow. Blue bananas. Thank you. Oh, thank you. This changes everything. Now there's something you should know about me. Please sit down. Take a deep breath. Just don't faint. My name is Terry, but I'm not just a regular guy with a few extra arms who happens to love tuna. I am an octopus and I can swim. And now I could visit my octopus mom and dad. See my octopus friends and go to... What do you think he'll go to? Super Octopus Fantasia Adventure World. One last question though. Is it okay to pee in the sea? Just a little? How many of you have peed in the water before? Let me know in the comment box with a thumbs up. Has that ever happened to any of you? You accidentally peed? Let me know. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? And check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a fantastic one, everybody. And take care. And thanks for watching.